I don't know about you, but as someone who owns several sets of Tangem cards, I needed a way to manage them all in one place without it being a hassle. So when I got my second set of Tangem cards, I figured out how to add them to my current Tangem app. And it's been a game changer because now I know how to easily manage multiple Tangem wallets using a single app, and it's super quick and easy to set up. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And as always, if you're thinking about getting a Tangem wallet or maybe another set of cards or another Tangem product, make sure to take advantage of our discount code CyberSkrilla to get 10% off your entire order. Now let's talk Tangem. So if you're looking to add another set of Tangem cards to your current Tangem app, I'm going to assume that you already have the Tangem app installed and one set of cards set up. So I won't waste any time on that. That said, to add a new set of cards to your current Tangem app, you need two things. First, you need your phone with the Tangem app on it and your new set of cards. You do not need your old set of cards to add new cards to your Tangem app. So to get started, open up the Tangem app on your phone and then tap the three little dots in the upper right hand corner. And this might look a little different depending on which phone you're using, but overall the process is the same. From there, just tap Add New Wallet. Next, scan your first card. It doesn't matter which card you scan. Then you need to choose how you want to set up your wallet. So you can set it up as a seedless wallet without a seed phrase, or you can tap other options and either generate a brand new 12 or 24 word seed phrase, or you can even import an existing seed phrase you might have from another hardware wallet, and you can even import a passphrase, aka a hidden wallet if you have one. For this example, I'm going to generate a seedless wallet, so I'll just tap Create Wallet, then scan the same card again. Next, we need to add up to 2 backup cards, and the card set that I have is a pack of 2 cards, so I'll only be adding 1 backup. And to do that, just tap Add Backup and scan your other card. If you have a third card to add, just tap Add Backup card again and then scan your third card. Then once you've scanned all your cards, tap Finalize the Backup. If you only scanned a total of 2 cards, a warning will pop up letting you know that you can't add an additional backup card later, which is fine, so just tap Continue. Next, we need to create an access code. You can make this code the same or different from your previous set of cards that you've already added to the app. It really just depends on what you prefer and if you want to manage multiple access codes or not. After creating our access code, we need to scan the cards again. So I'll scan the first card, aka the primary card, and hold it to the back of my phone for about 15 seconds or until it's done scanning. Next, we need to scan the backup card, and same thing, hold it to the back of your phone until the process is complete. Once we scan all our cards, our wallet's created and we're ready to use it. But now how do we switch between our different wallets in the app? I remember when I first added my second set of Tangem cards to the app, I had a mini heart attack because I thought my original set of cards had been deleted from the app or were erased because it only shows one wallet at a time. Fortunately, that wasn't the case. To switch between different wallets in the Tangem app is actually really easy. Just slide your finger left or right at the top of your screen to manage your different Tangem wallets. Keep in mind that these are completely different wallets, so not only do they have separate private keys and or seed phrases, but they have different receiving addresses too. So whenever you're sending crypto to your Tangem wallet, double check that you're sending it to the right one. You can also change the settings for each card set. So I like to change the name of my wallet so I can easily determine which wallet is which. So to change the settings for a specific set of cards, tap the 3 little dots, then select the card that you want to edit. And this is where you can edit the name. So maybe this set of cards is my Bitcoin only wallet, so I could name it Bitcoin Wallet. Then if you tap card settings and scan any card from that set, you can edit other things. For example, you can change your access code for that specific card. You can also enable or disable the access code recovery feature for the card you scanned. And of course, this is where you can factory reset your card if you want to completely delete the wallet from the selected card. Of course, you wouldn't want to do this if you set up your Tangem card as a seedless wallet, because then you would lose access to all your crypto, assuming you hadn't already transferred all your crypto off that wallet. However, if you set up your Tangem wallet with the seed phrase, then it's okay to do a factory reset because you can always recover your wallet with your seed phrase. That said, if you don't want to completely delete the wallet from your card, but you just want to get that card set off your Tangem app, you can just tap Forget Wallet, and this will remove the wallet from the Tangem app without deleting your wallet from the card. And you can always add the card back to your Tangem app by going through the same process again. Just tap Add New Wallet and then scan your cards, and you don't even have to set them up again. You just have to enter your access code and you'll be good to go. But what if you don't want to create a new wallet? What if you just want to use some additional Tangem cards to back up your current Tangem wallet? Well, you can do that, but there are some limitations. The first limitation is if you set up your Tangem wallet as a seedless wallet without a seed phrase, then you can only ever have a maximum of 3 cards for that wallet. At no point can you ever add an additional backup card. However, if you set up your Tangem wallet using a seed phrase, then you can technically have as many backup cards as you want, by just simply importing your wallet every time you select add new wallet. Of course, they will still be separated in the app because the app only allows each card set to have a maximum of 3 cards, but you can add, 12 cards all with the same wallet, assuming you have a seed phrase to import, and then you can manage them in the Tangem app. That said, if you set up your Tangem wallet with the seed phrase, then you don't really need a bunch of backup cards because you'll always have that seed phrase to fall back on in case you lose your cards or they get damaged somehow. So you could get away with just buying a pack of 2 cards. But if you're wondering why I use completely separate Tangem wallets or why you might want to, it can be summed up into 2 words, I guess, diversification and convenience. Maybe that's 3 words, depending how you look at it. Personally, I don't like holding all my eggs in one basket, all my crypto in one hardware wallet, and that's why I use several hardware wallets to diversify my portfolio. And that's also why I have several Tangem wallets that I can manage all in one app because it makes managing my crypto that much easier. But I also notice a lot of people like getting additional sets of cards for, their family members, maybe your significant other, or maybe even your kids. And it's nice knowing that you can manage all of these wallets in one app. And the best part is that you can choose whether you want your family members to have their own wallet completely separate from yours or the same wallet but their own sets of cards. And these are the main reasons why I would get a separate set of Tangem cards and why other people buy additional sets of cards. Another reason is because I kind of geek out over new Tangem products. So whenever they come out with like a new card edition or the Tangem ring, for example, this is a prototype, I like to get those because they're just fun to play with. And if you're wondering how many wallets you can set up on one device using the Tangem app, you can literally set up as many wallets as you want. So if you want to set up 100 different sets of Tangem cards on your Tangem app, you can do that, but definitely let me know if you do that because I want to know how you manage all those wallets. Something else I want to cover is how to transfer crypto between your different Tangem wallets. And if you've ever transferred crypto before, whether from one wallet to another or maybe from a crypto exchange to your wallet, then you probably already know how to do this. But even if you've never transferred crypto before, it's really easy, especially because these wallets are in the same app. So when you're sending crypto between your Tangem wallets, first you want to go to the wallet where you will be receiving the crypto. So for this example, I'm going to send some Ethereum to this empty wallet. So for that, I'm going to tap Ethereum and then tap receive and then copy the public address, also known as the receiving address. And then we'll just go back, go to our other wallet, tap on Ethereum here, and then I will tap send. And then this is where you paste your other Tangem wallet's receiving address, hit next, and then you can enter the amount of ETH you want to send. I only have a couple dollars, so I'll just hit max, and then I'll tap next. You can also choose the market fee. If you want it quicker, you can choose fast. Just for the heck of it, I'll choose fast. And then if everything looks good, you're going to tap send, and you scan the wallet that you're sending the crypto from. Not the one that you're receiving it to, but that you're sending from. So that's this old Tangem wallet that I have. And it's literally that simple. The Ethereum is on its way to my other wallet. So maybe if we go here and refresh it, we'll probably have to give it, oh, look, it's already there. Already received $2. Now, if I wanted to send it back, it'd be the same process, except I would get the receiving address from my other Tangem wallet, tap receive here, copy this public address, go back to this wallet, tap send, paste the address again. I'm going to send all of it again, and I'll choose the fast market speed as well. Tap scan, and then now I'm going to scan this card because this is a wallet that I'm sending it from, and bam, just like that, the Ethereum is on its way back to my other wallet, and I bet it's already there. Give it a second, and there it is. That's simple. All that said, there are a ton of things you can do with your Tangem wallet, including a bunch of settings that you should be aware of. And I cover all that in this Ultimate Tangem Wallet FAQ. So definitely check that out. I'll see you there. Peace out.